A few months back, I found myself with quite a large box of organic bananas. I fermented, fortified, and aromatized my own banana vermouth. We then sent some of this banana vermouth out to a few of our friends, one of which is Ryan, aka high alcohol content. And we asked them to maybe make something cool, and boy did they. Today I'm gonna be recreating Ryan's banana curry Bijou? Negroni? I don't know. I only had to prep one ingredient for this, which was this curry tincture. Curry powder, Everclear in the sous vide for about 20 minutes at 165. Strain it off and you got curry tincture. And it calls for 1.5 ounces of a contemporary gin. I'm using 4 Pillars olive leaf, blend nicely with the savory character of this drink. We're gonna use 1 ounce of our homemade banana vermouth, half an ounce of yellow chartreuse. We've noticed that the French monks have been kind of slacking lately. They've been lazy, so we have heirlooms, genepe. All those flavors are still there. We're gonna do half an ounce of this. And the recipe calls for 0.125 ounces of the curry tincture. Ryan, what the hell? What kind of measurement is that? 3/4 of a teaspoon. 1, 2, 3. Ice this down and give it a good stir. Strain that over some ice. Wow, I can't get over this color. Woo! Flavor. Intensely herbal, honey, lots of spice notes. Pretty good. I've never had a drink like this. Cheers, Ryan. Thank you.